I'm Engineer Ian Fred Solas, founder and CEO of GreenSolution.ph, a waste-to-energy company specialized in producing biofuel from landfill waste, market waste, and right now we have a product like a VCO and the CME, the coco metal ester.
Hmm.
Green Solution expand to Palawan, Mindoro, and lastly, this week lang ang nagmawa signing kami sa isang LGU ng Palawan. The whole Palawan and some tribes po ng like Cuyunin tribe ng Palawan, nagkaroon po kami ng MOA for the extraction of VCO and CME. So we've started from IF Green Technologies, nag-pivot din kami from algae biodiesel. Doon kami nag-start on how to produce biofuel from a certain raw materials. Kaya nag-explore kami because it's need talaga, like sa amin sa Bacolod, especially lalo na sa basura. Right now, Iloilo, Bacolod, parang nagkaroon na po ng idea na parang minimitigate na nila yung basura. So, from used cooking oil, nag-explore kami sa landfill waste through pyrolysis, and CME right now, at meron kaming isang pending na IPO for the Malabar spinach or the simply called as alugbate. So, ini-extract namin yung oil, then convert in biofuel also.